How to connect Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without remote. I'm going to tell you ways on how to connect your Vizio TV to your Wi-Fi without a remote control. First, you may try using a USB keyboard. Plug it in to your television. Once connected, use the keyboard's arrow keys to navigate through the menu. Select your Wi-Fi settings, enter the passcode, and see if it'll work. If that won't work on your television, try using the Vizio Smart app on your smartphone. Download it, connect it to your TV, and use it as a remote to access Wi-Fi settings. Another option is if your television has an Ethernet port, you may directly connect the television to your router, then use the Smartcast app to set up the Wi-Fi. And those are going to be your options to connect your Vizio TV to the internet without a remote.